Ya, Panglima Dadi Daud.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today, the plan and Mualim, the best of the best, and people, I love you, the people Aceh, the long time. Inshallah ta'ala, good, very, very good. And now the plan today, the people Aceh, the long time, and inshallah, MOU Helsinki, the implementation. Because of the problem, the complete Aceh Sumatra Liberation Front, the war, and Alhamdulillah, balasan kubu kan Muhammad ditiro angkan Allah. And the fanatism and nationalism and patriotism, the background Aceh, the Liberation Front, the people.